to Scott, Texas, right? Scott, Texas.
I thought you grabbed them.
No, you said this.
I said they're on the table.
Full walk around on it in case something ever happens. Check the back lower fender. You guys ain't used to this heat, are you? Coming out of Anaheim?
We get the humidity, but
Not this.
I don't like that.
Strap it down. What do you think? You have your mansplaining hat on. They didn't compress the forks at all.
A few moments later. You guys got soft ties? You could do it on the handlebars. You want to compress those forks so don't move.
Just couldn't help himself.
I can't help it but mansplain.
No. He was not able to wait.
Yeah, as long as it compresses the forks, it should be okay. It won't move.
Signing date on the very bottom, please.
You guys need to use the restroom or anything? You can come on in.
Please,
and do
can
that.
we?
Yeah.
All right.
Come on before we leave. Thank you very much.
Watch
That's
over.
it?
Let me get you okay there. That's it.
Thank you, sir.